What's up, wild and wonderful? That's going to be the solution to our stump problem. If you're wondering, yes, the stimulus check is real, and this is my first purchase that I made with it. I've never owned a chainsaw. I've used them, but I have not owned one myself, so I'm pretty pumped about that. So the plan with the stump is going to be pie section it with some plunge cuts, and then I'm going to build a fire around it and burn it out. So let's get this thing running. So much fun. Alright, so as you can see, we made a little mess, but it's a good mess. Basically pizza pot it. Let me see how wet this wood is. So it's a little damp, but we're gonna try and burn it anyways. I got some firewood. I'm gonna go get some kindling out of the woods real quick. We're getting rid of this thing. Y'all, it's finally burning by itself. I think my firewood actually was pretty wet. You can see that log over there. There's like moisture rising up out of it. But finally it's burning by itself. I didn't want to have to use lighter fluid, but it's been like on and off sprinkling, so I haven't really had the best conditions. Plus the stump's obviously a little wet. I'm trying to get this done in a day. The whole point is the do-it-yourself stump removal in one day. See, I got the coals built up in the middle. Basically what I'm doing right now is, now that I've got some logs burning, I'm trying to build this coal bed up all around it. Remember, our stump was wet. I just added some fresh wood, and I'm sitting here thinking, I'm like, man, how can I make this better? I'm a firm believer with, you know, campfires and stuff like that. It's like you have to get one log burning good, and then you're set. Hit that thumbs up for some puppy love, y'all. I tell you what, the wind has cranked up and it is working in our favor, y'all. Look at how little of that stump is left. She is cooking. Thanks for tuning in, Wild and Wonderful. I hope you learned something here. Thanks for joining in with me on the experience. This is my first time doing this. Hope you like the new toy. Enjoy your stimulus package yourself. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one, and go after what you want and never quit.
Victory.